Experimental mode. You enter the experimental mode with a fresh page by clicking Create on Resource, My Experiment or from Recycle Bin page. Or you can enter the experimental mode with an exciting experiment by using Editing function. The experimental mode is made up of 5 sections. On the top is the Functions buttons. On the right is the list of equipment. On the left is Toolbox. In the middle is Experiment area. And at the bottom is Information. There are 3 sections on Functions area. First, Save and Clear button on the left. To save your experiment, you can click Save button. If you want to remove all of the equipment on the experiment area and start from the beginning, you can use Clear button. You can also find an arrow on the left of Save button, click this to exit the experimental mode. Second, name the experiment in the middle. You can change the experiment name to whatever you want, but there is a limit of up to 100 characters. Please remember to save it after you change the name. The last part, Functions buttons. In different modules you will see different buttons. For instance, in the Mechanics module you will see Table, Setup, Demo and Screenshot. Click on the Table button and you will see a drop-down menu. You can choose how many rows and columns you need. The table will appear in Experiment area for you to use on your experiment. You will see a drop-down menu when you click Setup button. There are some basic setting options. You can change the experiment and display setting as you wish by using this function button. You can enter demo mode by clicking Demo button. If you click the Screenshot button, the system will automatically take a screenshot of the current page of the experiment area and download it to your computer. List of equipment. You can pick and choose the equipment that you need from this section. Different modules have different equipment. Therefore, you need to be in the right module to find the equipment that you need. To use an equipment, simply drag it to the center of the page, or click the equipment you need and adjust the position. You can also search for the equipment you need from the list by using the search area on the top of the list. There is a Note button next to the equipment list where you can make notes of the experiment. We call the bottom part of experiment mode the Information section. You can choose the module. Recenter the experiment. Change the resolution. Lock the screen. And last but not the least, the pencil tool. You can use it to highlight or write a note on the experiment with different colors and pen sizes. When you deselect it, all the notes or drawings you have done will disappear. But they will come back if you select the tool again. On the left of the experimental mode, you will see the Toolbox. The Toolbox can only be found in certain modules. For example, Mechanics. Let me give you an example and you can try the rest by yourself. Have fun!